Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I would like to show you how to record voice notes in Telegram. Okay, the first thing you should do is open your Telegram app on your phone, and then you can go to your room chat, either your group chat or your private chat. And I'll go with my group chat. It's right here, and just click on the room chat. And if you want to send voice note, you have to tap and hold this microphone button on the bottom right corner of your screen. And then if you just tap this microphone button, then it will turn into this button. Okay, and then you can tap it again to switch into microphone button. Alright, let's record voice now together. Let's practice it. We can tap and hold this microphone button. When you hold the microphone button like this, it's gonna keep recording. Then once the microphone button is released, the voice note will be sent. Then sliding to the left when you want to cancel the voice message. After you finish recording your voice note, you can release it, and then the message will be sent to your friend. Alright. Okay guys, that's how we can record voice notes in Telegram. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video. Bye!